I'd like to introduce you to the fmsadmin command line command in FileMaker 17. So if you do a Google search for FileMaker Server 17 fmsadmin, you'll find the first link is called Using the Command Line Interface. And this is the documentation that gets you started on the path for using it. But it's really not descriptive. And the reason why is in the command line, they want you to use the help command that's already built in there to see the information that's available about those. So one of the reasons why it's important to use the fmsadmin command line is that in 17 you can reset the FileMaker server admin password with the reset password command. So we're going to log into our remote server here. And if you open up the Windows menu and open up the PowerShell, you're going to get a command line. And from here it's just fmsadmin, and then it's help for command. So if I use that reset password command, it's going to give me the documentation for that command right in here. So it says, this command lets the administrator reset the password. If you specify the command without options, you will be prompted to enter the PIN number. So it also shows you what options you can put in there. So -P, -P for password, and -Z for PIN. So if I actually wanted to change my password here, I would do fmsadmin reset password, then -P, the password, and then -Z for PIN, so if I set a PIN during that. So this command would allow me to reset my password right here. Let's do something more descriptive though. So command help. Okay. So if you error out like this and put in something that isn't in there, it's going to give you some help here getting through this. So it says it's not command help, it's help commands, or help command for a specific command. So if I go again and do fmsadmin help commands, this will give me a list of commands. So the fmsadmin utility has all of these commands. So you can see there's things like start, stop, verify, enable, disconnect, close, that type of thing. So, and backup. So let's say I want to run a backup of my database just on the fly. If I do help backup, it'll show me the options for these. So we can do just fmsadmin backup, username and password, and that should have generated a backup. We can verify that by actually going to our File Explorer, Backup, Backups, and here it is, August 1st at 7:53 p.m. So using the command line helps you do a lot of things, but it's also used as a troubleshooting device. So if you ever get in a place where your admin console isn't responding and you're not able to reboot your server because you have a ton of users connected and everything's super busy, but you still need to run an administrative function, chances are you're going to end up here with fmsadmin. So it's command line, but all of these commands are generally based on stuff you can already do with either the admin API or with the FileMaker Server Admin Console. So it's an important tool to use and get to know.